beautiful people, welcome back to another episode of Hair Matters with Sonia. So in today's video I'll be introducing a special product called Natural Yaki. Natural Yaki is a super lengthy product. The weight is 275 grams and trust me, it is super light. You could use Natural Yaki for natural hairstyle, for gel packing hairstyle, for blunt cut hairstyle. It comes in different colors, but in today's video I will be using color 127 of Natural Yaki to create a blunt cut hairstyle on our hair because it's a matching color with our hair. So guys, if you want to learn from this video, I would advise you stay tuned and keep watching. So let's dive right into the video. So I'm going to section small portion from the hair at the back. Yes, then I'm going to do a cornrow on that back part because I'll be sewing on the back part of the cornrow. I just finished doing the cornrow. Then you take out a little portion of hair. This portion of hair I'm actually taking out is the hair I want to use to cover the width of the Natural Yaki, so it will look super natural. What I'm doing right now, I'm doing it into a ponytail, securing it so it will look neat and nice. So yeah, I'm braiding her natural hair all the way to the tip, so it will give me a nice finishing and a nice braid, so I could attach, so my Natural Yaki could sit well on the hair. So I'm gonna gel the hair gently, neatly and nicely with a rat comb and a brush. So guys, keep watching, just keep watching. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give the video a thumbs up, share this video with your family and friends, and drop your comment in the comment section below. Like I told you, I'm here for every of your hair problems. Just keep dropping the comment and I'm here to receive and treat your hair problems. So this is our Natural Yaki. Like I told you, I'll be using color 127. I'm actually using this color because it's a matching color with her hair color and it suits her skin tone color. So seriously, I'm not going to use too many of those products on her hair. I'm just going to use 2 bundles of this product on her hair because it is full and super lightweight. So I'm gonna sew the back parts of the hair, like I'm gonna sew the part where I did the cornrow. So watch me while I sew this all the way to the top of the cornrow. So guys, if you all are wondering how to detangle this product, you could always use a leave-in conditioner spray. You spray on this product to make it soft, fluffy, and to detangle easily. And at night, if you want to sleep, you could always use your bonnet at night to protect the hair so it won't look rough before the next morning. So I'm gonna brush her natural hair on top of the weft. I'm doing that so the weft won't show. Like I told you, I'm using a natural hair to cover the weft because I want the hair to look super natural. I'll brush together with the hair so it will completely look nice and neat. So guys, I'll be sewing from the top part of the ponytail to the base of the hair. So I'm gonna do this all the way to the base, round and round to the base. So I hope you guys understand that. We are almost done. This is actually a quickie hairstyle. Doesn't really take long. It really doesn't take more of product. Like I told you, I use just 2 bundles because the product is super full. 1 bundle can actually do a full gel pack, but I used 2 bundles because I actually divided the hair into 2. I fixed one at the back and I used another one for the gel pack. So that's our X-Pression Natural Yaki. You see how beautiful and nice it looks. So what I'm actually doing right now, I'm spraying oil to detangle every tangle part of the hair to make it look neat so I could brush easily. So if you're brushing X-Pression Natural Yaki or any hair at all, you should always brush from the tip to the top. Don't start from the top to the tip. Start from the tip to the top. It makes it detangle easily and gives it that, you know, fluffy, beautiful look. So I took out a little portion from Natural Yaki to wrap on the hair to make it stand firmly on our head. So I'm gonna do this all the way to the tip. I'm going to do this round and round all the way to the tip of the hair. I'm still going to take a little portion to make it look more beautiful and trendy. So we are done with that. So it's just going to brush the hair to give it that neat and gorgeous look. Natural Yaki, how I love this product because it gives me everything I want. So I'm gonna trim the hair. Like I told you guys, I will be doing blunt cut with Natural Yaki. So blunt cut is something you cut to make the hair look even, and that's what I'm actually doing. So watch closely so you learn. So you're going to repeat the same process on the other side of the hair. Cut firmly, make it even, and make it neat. Yay! We're almost done. So I just apply my got-to bead to her natural hair to secure her natural hair to make it look stand out, make it look clean. Then apply a little of sheen to make it shine. And voila, we are so done. Yay, this is so good. Thank you for watching and bye for now.